Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Concube, and this is the part 4 of our 4x4 series in which I will be teaching you how to solve the OLL. Okay, so basically how to make a cross, no, not exactly OLL, but how to make a cross at this side. You have to make a yellow cross at this side. Okay, it is basically a two look OLL, which I already taught you in my C4 lesson. So in this you will be needing two algorithms, which are first and second. Okay, these two are the algorithm which is the OLL algorithm which you are going to need in this part, in which you are going to make a cross first, which is also known as two look F2L and OLL, sorry. And after making the cross, then you see which case of OLL is coming and you apply the same algorithm for that. Okay, so now in that case you will get three cases. Okay, so this is our case 1, in which you will get this L. Okay, but in the 3x3 what we used to do, we used to hold like this and do this formula. Okay, FL, write up UL RD UR FR. Okay, in 3x3 we used to do in this position the same formula, but here it won't be same, it will be little bit different. Now what you have to hold, you have to hold like this as I showed you in this position, and the formula won't be this for this case, rather this formula will be for the other case in which you got this full line. Okay, so in this case which you got L, you have to hold it like this and use the above formula. Basically the above formula you have just interchanged these two. Okay, you have applied U move first rather than R move. Okay, and everything is same only. Okay, you can learn this intuitive also. So what I have done, FL. Okay, so this is FL, and now what you have to do, in earlier what you used to do, write up, but here and then you do UL. Okay, but now what you are doing exactly is that you are moving UL first and then doing the other move. Okay, so what you did, you hold it like this, FL UL RU UR, okay, and RD this down, okay, and this back to the position from FR, F right. Okay, so this is also same, and you got a crossover here. Okay, so this was our first case. Now this is our second case, in which we will got a line here, and for this you have to use the basic algorithm which we used to use in 3x3, like this in this case which we use. Okay, same algorithm which we are going to use here also. Okay, so what you have to do here, you have to just hold like this and follow this algorithm, and you already know this algorithm. Okay, so this is basically just the opposite as I already told you, in which in this you have moved U first, and in this you have moved R. Otherwise it's the same one and the same thing only, it is just the difference of one move only. Okay, so what you do, you're going to hold like this and apply this formula. This is FL RU UL RD UR and then FR. Okay, so now here you also got the cross. So now there is a third case also, in which I will be covering in the next video because the formula is bit lengthy. Okay, and it is a special case, so I thought it requires one special video. Okay, so this was all for today's video. You should practice this part and this cross making part until you go to second video. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. Okay guys, bye.